The TCPIP model is a model with 4 layers, which is for both modeling current Internet architecture, as well as providing a set of rules that govern all forms of transmission over a network. DARPA, an agency of the United States Department of Defense, created it in the 1970s. This model was being made at the same time the OSI model was created. The TCPIP model is not the same as the OSI model, however. It was influenced by the model, which is why many of the names of the different layers are the same. So we can simply say that the TCP/IP reference model represents reality in the real world, whereas the OSI reference model represents an ideal. Okay? So these are the main differences of the TCP/IP reference model. The 3 top layers in the OSI model, that is the application layer, the presentation layer, and the session layer, are not distinguished separately in the TCP/IP model, which only has an application layer above the transport layer. TCP corresponds to OSI layer 4, the transport layer. IP corresponds to a subset of OSI layer 3, the network layer. TCP/IP makes no prescriptions as to the link layers below IP, while OSI specifies 2 layers. The physical address, commonly the MAC address, which is located in a special field in the data link layer header, changes as the packet passes from one device to another. For example, from the source PC to a switch, to a router, to another switch, and then finally to the destination PC. However, the original IP source and destination addresses do not change when transiting the network because the packet is stripped of its layer 3 header only when it goes beyond a router. When it stays within the same LAN, it only passes through switches, which decapsulate it at the layer 2 header containing the MAC address. So as a result, the header changes as the packet is re-encapsulated, as does the MAC address fields.